Yo, hello my people, this is Ziomek, and today it's Halloween. Well, it's Spooktober, as people like to say, so basically it's Halloween on this channel. So that's the reason why I'm watching Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's from 74, I think. I never seen it, except I've seen first 10 minutes most, well, maybe first 10 or 15 minutes, and that's it. That was like a year or two ago. I heard from a friend that like, oh, this movie is really good, you should watch it. And I gave it a try. I don't remember why I stopped. So I remember just one scene, and like I said, I don't know why I stopped watching, but it's a nasty, a dirty movie. Not just that guy with chainsaw, he looks weird and creepy, but even people, just I guess our protagonists. I don't know. The people who have to survive, even they don't look good. And I don't think that's the 70s problem. I've seen people looking way better in 70s. Okay, but yeah, no more talking. It's not a long movie. It's just like 84 minutes or 83 maybe. There's like 6 or 7 of them. We'll see how many we'll watch, but we'll see. So yeah, as always, this go at least 3 days earlier to my Patreon and its full versions. So if I watched second movie after this one, by the time it's on YouTube, the second one will be already on my Patreon and similar stuff. So yeah, let's get into the movie. I don't know what to expect. Something nasty. We'll see. It's a very cheap movie, I think.
In particular, Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother Franklin. It is all the more
You
tragic.
can't say that word invalid, can you?
But had they, the events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Wait, what? Is this based on a real story? It's very late at night and it's October. I'm scared. Those older movies scare me more than new ones. The way they're done, those older ones, I just a whole quality thing, I guess. Maybe I have quality phobia. I don't know. I played that Atari game where you play a man who's half chainsaw or something.
Firefighting units from 3 Texas cities continue the battle at all cost in an effort to confine 40-foot flames. Smoke from the fire is visible to Houston residents. A young man, reportedly angered by a local television blackout of a sports event, jumped from the 10th story window of his apartment.
What?
A second man
Wait, that's Armadillo, right? Never seen one in real life. They don't come to my country. Is it one of the movies where young people go to camp and then they're attacked by a serial killer? Wait, how did the guy who was behind him push him? I don't I don't get it. How did he fall?
This heat is just driving me crazy. I don't know if I can take much more.
Hence, when malefic planets are in retrograde and Saturn's malefic, okay, their malefice is increased.
Have you been doing those readers?
The way cameraman zoomed in onto this woman felt like found footage movie.
You go tell him your granddaddy's buried
Wait,
in there.
one in the tires? One sitting in the tire is the sheriff?
Here come that fella. Things happen here about they don't tell about. I see things. There's them that laughs and knows better.
Did somebody shoot their pants? What?
That's the old slaughterhouse. That's where Grandpa used to sell his cattle.
Are they all family?
Hey, we got an uncle that works at one of those places outside of Fort Worth. Hey, you see those buildings there? That's where they kill them. They bash them in the head with a big sledgehammer.
Oh, that's awful.
It usually wouldn't kill them on the first lick.
Nah, we don't need to see slaughterhouse. I've seen in my life pigs getting killed. That's enough. I don't need to see other animals getting killed.
I mean, they'd skin them sometimes even before they were even dead. It's just boom, goes boom, and it's
Franklin, I like meat. Please say that's terrible. It's still going on. Hitchhiker.
Should we pick him
No,
up?
no, 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 no.
Pick him up, he'll asphyxiate out there.
What does he look like?
I think we just picked up Dracula. Where you headed, man? South. You work at that
Yeah,
place?
you shouldn't have picked him up.
Oh, no.
He's not right.
My family's always been in me. Whole family of Draculas.
I mean, he can hear you.
Did you go in that slaughter room or?
All the way. With a sledge. See, that was better. They died better that way.
Wait, so they just picked up a sledge and they hit the animal in the head?
I was the killer.
Hey.
Let me see him.
They don't send the
Can we just leave him somewhere? We don't need to take him with us.
They scrape all the flesh away from the bone. They use everything. They don't throw nothing away. They use the jowls.
Sounds horrible. Is it possible we could talk about something else?
You'd probably like it if you didn't know what was in it.
No, I wouldn't, and I wish you'd stop talking about it.
He looks like a crazy person. Yeah, especially now.
Oh, come on.
What are you doing to yourself?
At least he gave that knife back, but I wouldn't want to be close to him.
I have this knife.
No, he has his own. That one's even worse, I'd say. I mean, if you try to stop and say to him that, man, just get out. He could use that knife, so I don't know what to do. Why does he have this good camera?
You could take me to my house. I lived right off this road.
Well, I don't know, man. We're in pretty much of a hurry.
You like head cheese?
No, 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 no,
Real
no, no.
good. You like it?
I think we better push
Guys, I
on.
don't know you, but if you go there, I feel like you won't come back.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's a nice picture. You can pay me now. $2. It's a good picture.
No, man. Frankly, give him back the damn picture.
Oh, does he have weed? He has everything. A knife, photo camera, weed. He's gonna cut his. I hope leg. He tried to get out himself. What? He tried to get out himself and now he is angry. Why did you have to stop for him? Are you stupid?
That's the last goddamn hitchhiker I ever.
Yes, please. Don't pick any other people. Unless it's a hot girl. Then frisk her. And if she has no weapons, let her in.
Letting persons around you could make this disturbing and unpredictable day. The events in the world are not doing much either to cheer one up. Oh no.
How old are they supposed to be?
By Saturn.
They look like they're in their
There are
30s.
moments when we cannot believe that what is happening is really true.
We should stop her. I'd like to buy some worms.
Hurry up so we get home.
So are they all family or not? I still have no idea.
How are you? Would you fill her up, please?
I got no gas. The old Frank.
Wait,
Yeah, it's an
so
old
if that
two-story
old
roadhouse.
that other man
Up
came
on the
back,
hill.
then
I think you have to turn on that road back there.
man
Where my
who
real shit-
washes windows also had to come back.
Don't want to go fooling around other folks' property. There's some folks don't like it, and they don't mind showing you.
Oh, my father owns it.
Why does he wash the car only when that other man is near the car? Like, I have no idea why.
No, we should have asked.
Just finish the job and ask for money.
Hey, you think this place has room service?
Frankly, you maniac, carrying up the van.
Hey, I bet that's some of that guy's blood.
Yeah, you shouldn't touch other person's blood.
You think that's blood?
Yeah, I guess so.
Man, it takes something, though. I mean, just to do that to yourself like he did. God.
Well, he's crazy, so it's easier to
You
him.
think I said something?
Hey, I got us some barbecue. Lute's the closest place to get gas.
Did you write something on the van?
Doesn't look like writing to me. So, they said they got barbecue. Where is that barbecue? Yeah, I see no barbecue here.
Let me see your knife.
Oh, they got barbecue? Oh, damn. Excuse me.
Hey, you think that guy's just trying to scare us?
So I wonder what's the reason going to that place? Like, they want to party there? Or do they just want to hang out?
Oh, that's weird. Wonder if that means something.
Okay, show it to me.
Sorrow. He's gonna get you.
Sir, why don't you wash it off, okay?
Here, man, you wash it off.
Hey, you don't think that guy'd try and follow us, do you?
He could.
Where's my knife? Kurt.
No, I think that girl has.
Looks like there must have been a nursery room or something.
This is my room.
Like, are they all cousins, brothers, sisters? It sounds like that to me, but I have no idea. What? Are those spiders? These places are scary even in real life, where there are maybe no ghosts. We're all just having fun and forgot about this guy. Homeless people really love places like this. You know, they can live here for free and they have no money, so this is the best.
Jerry and Sally going?
No, we'll see you in an hour or so.
Yeah, an hour? What you gonna do in this place for an hour? We already know. Look, dead. Something with feathers?
Sally!
What? What is this thing? Okay, I think something is gonna be wrong with that pond. Like maybe there's no water left.
Gasoline.
No, don't go there. I can't imagine myself living in a place like this. I would go crazy in 2 days. I would feel scared since the first minute I was here. But I'm saying if I was alone, if I was with a few other people, maybe I could take it for a bit longer, but I don't know. They have some cars here. And generators use gas. Wisconsin? I thought they wanted to go to some kind of a water source, like pond or something, so she could get naked. The doors are open, but please don't go. If nobody opens the doors, please don't go inside.
Got something for you.
Yeah, an ugly tooth. I doubt killers would have swing like this. This swing looks way too good. Yeah, look at that room. The red one. That's one of the signs. Damn! It wasn't as scary as I thought it would be, but it was something. I like this point of view. But the killer didn't use the chainsaw. What? It's not Sledgehammer, Texas. Killer. Oh my god, are you actually gonna go in there? How does this killer have a house like this? Girl, you're stupid. But that's a huge bone. Who has bones like that? Cows? I don't know. She's just looking around. You saw stuff already that scares everyone. Why would you stay? Okay, we saw all that stuff. Please showing it. Stop showing it to us. He's that fast? Well, he could be faster than her. I'm not gonna question that. I wonder, is he gonna... Oh, hook? And that's the chainsaw. The movie just started. Yeah, so 2 gone, 3 left.
We'll protect you if he tries to get you.
Well, he couldn't find us anyway. I mean, he doesn't even know our names.
I gave him your name, Franklin. I told him where you lived. I even gave him your zip code.
When did you have it last?
He gave it to the girl who's dead now.
You had it last.
Oh, wait.
I gave it to you,
Wait.
remember?
Listen, I think I'll walk down to the creek before it gets too dark. How do I get there, Franklin?
Well, there's a trail down there.
I mean, it's bad situation. One has to stay with Frank, and then other person has to go, but he has to go alone.
I can't.
I wonder if that chainsaw killer, does he go out and kill in the night? Does he even go out
Franklin, I'm
outside?
tired.
You don't think that guy'd try and follow us, do you? Well, I mean,
I
there's
think
no
he
way
would.
that he could follow us.
Kirk!
So he's gonna be the next person to die. None of this would have happened if Kirk didn't just go into random house. Why did he have to go inside?
Excuse me, I'm looking for some friend. Hello? Kirk?
Yep, you can hear somebody inside. No, you're another idiot. Is every character gonna be killed in first 60 minutes? The girl was hooked on this, I think. Yep. Nope. Wait. Our characters are just dropping like flies. They meet this guy, he kills them instantly. Ugh, his teeth. Ugh. Nope, nobody's coming. Only maybe that crazy guy that you left.
They'll probably be back in a minute or so. Sally, we ought to go to that gas station. Sally, they took the keys. We don't have any keys. They took the keys with them.
Stop it! Stop it! I'm gonna go look for him. Give me the flashlight.
I'll go with you. I'll go with you, all right? No, Sally, come on. I'll go with you. Sally, I'll go with you, but I'm gonna keep the flashlight. Sally, I can't keep up with you.
How would you get there? Also, for the killer, the guy in the wheelchair will be such an easy target. I don't think that this girl will survive. Franklin, he's definitely gonna die.
Push down. Get back and push down.
It's impossible.
I hear something out there. Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Oh my god, that scared me so much. Just run. Wow, that scared me. I was like, nothing's gonna happen soon. I was bored. And then he just jumped out. But she also can't die yet, because if she dies now, well, then what's gonna happen next in the movie? He's too fat, he has to cut through every branch so you can just try to crawl. She has... Wait, what? Is that his house? And she can't use a car. I don't see any hope for her. Oh no! Oh no! He was happy. He's like, oh, you're still here? That was high. And if she broke her leg, well, then that's it for her. Now this is a nightmare. This is the most nightmarish nightmare that could ever happen to anybody. But he's fast. For a man his size and also holding a chainsaw, he's pretty fast. People don't spend time around here at night. Oh, we do? He's a bad guy. Oh, I think he's a bad guy. I think he helps. No, I don't trust him. I feel like he's a bad guy.
Take it easy. Take it easy. I'll get the truck. Take it easy.
Be ready to run. I promise you. I promise you. Please be ready to run, because he's gonna come. That's some weird stuff. I'm telling you, he's the bad guy. I told you he's a bad guy. He's hitting there with a broom. Maybe he's a rapist? He's not related to the chainsaw killer. I knew that he's a bad guy, but now I don't know if he's working with Chainsaw Man. Maybe he's not related bad guy. Or maybe he's gonna bring her to the chainsaw guy. You know, get her in the car, drive her to the house.
Had to lock up and get the lights. Cost electricity is enough to drive a man out of business.
Yeah, especially nowadays.
I hope you're not too uncomfortable down there.
Yep, he's also very crazy.
There's no need to do that. No. Half-wit.
Who is that?
Little coon shit.
Oh, that's the guy that we met before. So, they live together? Is he the brother of the Chainsaw Man? I guess basically we're just waiting for them to bring... What? How do they live together? I feel like...
Where are the kids? Where are they? Show me!
Why does he talk like a woman?
Get upstairs and get your grandpa.
Grandpa? Please don't show me that grandpa.
Young lady, you just take it easy there now. Look, we'll fix you some supper in a few minutes, huh?
I have no idea what's happening now.
You just take it easy, huh? Take it easy.
Oh, so those people up the stairs are Grandpa and Grandma? Oh. Yeah, say hello to Grandpa. Oh, you've met already? Well, spend some time with him. He's been dead for a long time. Is it a ritual? Wait, he's moving his own head? What? He's alive? You're gonna be the new mama. Wait, why was their hands below her hands?
Can't be helped, young lady.
Please. Shut up.
No mind.
Crazy. You gotta make us stop.
There's no getting out of this.
Nothing. He's just a cook. Shut your mouth.
You don't understand nothing.
I understand you ain't nothing. Feed him do all the work.
I wonder if it's gonna be easy for me to go to sleep this night. Maybe? We'll see. Are we gonna start fighting each other?
Get on with it.
Oh, hear me. I heard you, but it don't mean much.
No sense in waiting.
Just let him have a whack. Hey, Grandpa, we gonna let you have this one.
Oh.
You just hush. It won't hurt none. My old grandpa's the best killer there ever was. Old grandpa's the best. It won't hurt a bit.
Yeah. I can see it not hurting if the chainsaw man did hit her, but Grandpa, I have no idea how would he kill anyone. Oh look, he's getting better with every try. And she's out. And it's... whoa, it's bright outside. And also she's in the nowhere basically, so I don't see any hope. We're just having fun now. Just fun family time. He has a knife. Oh, he's gonna kill her on the road? That's not what I expected. No, I think Chainsaw Man will kill him, and he's gonna kill that girl. Look, he's just running away. He wants none of the... oh, what? What? Can't he just drive a truck? Is truck broken now? What? What? He just cut himself. No, that car is just trying to avoid, like, no, I don't want to be in this movie! You're gonna kill me. Oh, she can't get in that time? Oh, she did. What about the tracker? What about the tracker? He's dancing now. He's having a time of his life. But what about the tracker? This was such a weird movie. What? There is nothing left. There is no way there's anything left. Yeah. I have no idea what did I just watch. So Texas Chainsaw Massacre from 1974. I really thought that she wasn't gonna survive. Like, that's it. It's one of the movies where bad people win. Nope, she somehow survived. How? Well, they're a bunch of idiots. They gave that grandpa a hammer and said, "Grandpa, you're the best. Kill her." And he is in such a way that he can't hold anything. So, well, thank God they were stupid as hell. That was the only reason he survived. Yeah, it's so stupid. Everyone just goes one by one into the house. Yeah, it's just, like the first guy, Kirk. It's just a random house. Nobody, you knock on the door, nobody lets you in. I'll just go in myself. I'll check out this place. What? Are you stupid? And also that hitchhiker, why would you pick him up? I mean, you start stopping, you see how he looks, you're like, nope. Nope. I see that nothing good's gonna come out of that situation, I'm not stopping. So, did I like it? Some of the parts were very boring. But then some of the parts were good, so I don't know. I feel like this movie didn't age well, but I think it's still okay movie. I still think it's watchable. I also got very scared once, and there was a very creepy moment once, so it's something. We have new movies who don't scare me at all, or I don't know. I wonder if I've seen any horror movies where it's whole family somewhere in a place like this killing people. I've heard about movies like this, but I never seen any of them. At least I can't remember now. Yeah, so it ended with that brother of Chainsaw Man dying, Chainsaw Man himself cutting his leg. So what about the trucker? He tried to help the girl, and he did help her. If not for him, she would be dead. But what about him? He was running, and then he just kept running, and the car with that girl just drove away, and they just didn't show him. He was just gone from the movie. Did I miss something? They were running together when that car came. The guy was still running, but we never showed him die. Because Chainsaw Guy just followed the girl and she got into the car. And after that, the Chainsaw Guy just danced. So I have no idea. Well, guys, maybe you know. So, should I watch the sequel? I mean, not because it's October or anything, but should I? Even if it's a bad movie, but if you think it's worth watching for me, maybe I should watch it, right? I mean, like I said, also, yes, I said that it felt like only an okay movie for me, but I can see why back in 70s this was a great movie that later became legendary. Because I feel like this kind of story with serial killer, with masks, with chainsaw, and his crazy family of killers, I have a feeling that this was like a new thing. Like, a lot of stuff that we did in this movie was new. So, if that's true, I can see why people say this movie is so good. I don't think it aged well in some of the stuff, but like I said before, it's still watchable, it's still okay, and if you're a fan of these type of movies, I think it's worth watching, especially since it's just 80 minutes. So, it's very easy to predict, except still, in the end, the last scene basically was still something that I didn't predict. So maybe ending is not predictable. So it's all good. So yeah, I enjoyed it. Hope you guys did too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.